Smoyg, Pattern Darning from Norway by Yvette Stanton, has 104 full colour pages and a pattern sheet. There are many pages of historical examples. Smoyg, or as it should be more correctly pronounced, Smoyg, is pattern darning. Pattern darning makes it sound quite complicated, but actually it's just running stitch. It isn't difficult. There are 13 beautiful projects. Mary Corbett, in her review on needleandthread.com, said, Smoyg, a traditional technique hailing from Norway, is sure to appeal to needleworkers around the globe who love historical techniques, folk embroidery, colourful stitchery and counted work. As always, Yvette's approach to instruction is clear, concise and easy to follow, making the array of gorgeous projects in this latest volume accessible to beginners and beyond. Beautiful techniques, great history, fun projects and thorough instruction. What more could any stitcher want? There is an extensive step-by-step stitch instructions chapter with both left and right-handed instructions. In the back of the book there's an appendix which shows many different types of threads on the different fabric counts, so that if you don't have the same thread that I specify, you can adapt with one that you can get.